Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing almond butter, almonds. Roasted salted almonds covered in a sweetened almond butter coating. So I don't really like almonds and I don't like almond butter either. So this combination is really not my style, but some people say it really is delicious. So I am planning to try this out and see if it's good. If not, I'll just hand them over to my dad and I'll eat a potato chip instead. Anyways, what's the price? $3.99. Alright, and my father wrote it like that. And I kind of read it, although it's backwards. Here it goes. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Contains
milk, almond, may contain traces of soy, wheat, peanut, rhizoma, cashew, coconut, hazelnut, macadamia nut, pecan, peanut, pistachio, and walnut.
There is every type of nut I know right now. Is there cashew in this nut? Oh yeah, there is. Alright. So which means there's every nut that I know. By the way, I love pistachio though. A little fun fact about myself. Let's open it this way. If it opens, no nut, that's okay. I'll just open it that way.
Oh, onto a napkin.
You're just gonna go everywhere, right? Right, I told you. They're very soft. There you go. There you go. You guys want to see the package, right? I knew you were going to say it, but there's nothing really inside, though. I'm going to try one first. Daddy, don't eat it. Love it. Absolutely love it. It's so good. It's like, I don't even know if it's almond or not. It's pretty soft, too. Love it. My mother will love it. It's very sweet. So here's what it looks like after it's been cut in half. Like a very thick layer of almond butter. Very good. A very, very, very thick layer of almond butter. It is springtime, so I'm gonna make another magic. Using these long almonds, I'm gonna make a flower. Using my finger as a stem. Ready? Show the flower. Do you guys like it? It's very cool though. It's like Easter. Maybe next time if I find a round candy, I'll make it an Easter egg during Easter time. Well, I like the big one. My father likes the mini one. Anyways, subscribe and press the like button and leave me comments below the table. Just kidding, but in the comments below. Bye.